All right, question 5 in the homework is an example of a quadratic that when you factor out does not factor. Okay, and when it doesn't factor, it doesn't mean that it can't be solved or anything like that. It just means that you can't solve it using factoring. You have to use another method, quadratic equation, quadratic formula, or your calculator or something. So here I'm going to go through the process and show you what exactly happens when we try to factor out something that's not factorable. Okay, so first thing, it's in standard form. Step 2, check for the GCF. There is a GCF, so there is a 5. Okay, divide each term by 5, so we get n squared plus 2n plus 10. Excuse me, I'm sorry, 4. There we go. All right, so now, again, we're going to only factor out what is inside the parentheses. So x method here, 2 is my b, a times c is 4, of course a is 1. All right, so now we're looking for two factors of that multiply to 4 that will add up to 2. And if we look at factors of 4, okay, we got 1 and 4 and 2 and 2, that's it. So using our little method here, adding them up, we get a 5 and a 4. Subtracting 1, we'll get a 3 and a 0. So notice none of the numbers on the sides, here and here, don't give us a 2. Okay, so there is no factors we can put together that give us a 2 for that b term. So for this example, since we can't come up with any multiples of 4 to go into 2, this is not factorable.